Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to try out the Revlon blow dryer. I think it's, what is it, the Revlon Step 1 blow dryer. So we're gonna see how this goes. Yeah, and I've heard a lot of things online, and I've seen a lot of things online, and getting volume, hair shine, all that fun stuff. So let's check it out. Let's see. So I'm gonna, I use a wet brush when my hair's wet and dry too, and it's awesome. I love it. It really, I don't know, brushes through my hair really nicely. So let's see here. First, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clip my hair up with alligator clip. Now, I am not a professional at this stuff, at doing hair. So a cool, low, and high setting. Okay. But I'm gonna actually start it off on the high. Okay, so final verdict. I really like this. This is really nice. Yeah, I feel like it makes my hair feel really healthy, which is nice. And it really didn't take that long to dry. But yeah, look at that. That looks really good. I feel like it does. And it wasn't that expensive. It was around $60. Yeah, that's pretty crazy. So I'm really excited. So I hope you guys like this video. Let me know of any other videos you want me to start uploading. I'm really excited to kickstart YouTube again, and I really enjoy it. So thanks, you guys.